Good day, my name is Priya Badram and today's topic is the neat finding of a washing machine. The purpose of this assignment is to design a simple and easy washing machine interface for my 80-year-old grandmother. However, the washing machine she had over the years were complicated and confused her when she used it. Today, it only seems to get more complicated and the font size seems to get smaller. So I decided to use this project to create a washing machine interface that she can handle. The washing machine interface. Number 1, the clothing type or off button. This is used to select the type of clothing and can rotate to turn off. Number 2, the time reset button. This allows you to set the time. Number 3, the timer or clock. Number 4, the light indicator to show which process of washing. Number 5, the start or stop button. Number 6, the load size button. Number 7, lid to put in or take out clothes. The justification. The font size should not be too small. The labeling should be clear. There will be an alarm set to notify when washing load is finished. A timer to show how many time for the washing load to finish. It should last for many years. It should be cost effective and the design or layout should be simple and easy for an elderly to use. The analysis. Select what type of clothing being washed by rotating the clothing type button. Then select the appropriate size of the load. Press the start or stop button to start. The timer will automatically start together with the washing load. Then listen for the timer or alarm set to go off. Then you can turn the machine off by rotating the clothing button to off. In conclusion, this washing machine is easy for an 80-year-old person to use. However, it is cost effective and less confusing. It is also alerting with a built-in alarm set so you can get your chores done.